Your Majesties, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always returning. Trust you and yours are well, and you're loving yourself and others like always. Many thanks to all of you for the support you give to the channel. Thank you so much to our channel members, to our anonymous supporters, to all of you, my esteemed subscribers. You are all loved, celebrated, and appreciated. So, I want us to talk a little bit about Haiti. Now, a lot of us are aware of the whole issue, all right? The whole unsettlement, the whole up and down, all the fighting, the lack of peace that that country have experienced. And when I discovered this, I wasn't surprised, because I keep saying this here, that what they do is, like for real, anytime you hear, or anytime you begin to hear frequently that there is trouble in a region and the US have sent, or the UN peacekeepers are around that area, just know that something is in that ground that they are trying to remove. All right, so they'll try to cause this chaos so that it will be like, oh, we are coming in for peacekeeping. And they are doing the gold and the like what they were doing, in Congo, right? They were doing peacekeeping. Gold was found in their truck. When have gold become instrument of peacekeeping? But gold was found in the truck of the United Nations. And the Congolese people cried out, we are tired of what you are doing. You come to steal our resources, you go away with what is rightfully ours. We don't want you to be in our country anymore. And they keep trying their best to instigate problems locally. Wherever you hear that they are terrorist group, that they are group that are making people not settled, that are causing people to run away from their families, from their homes, just know that something is in that ground, and the world power are after that very thing in that ground. The UN is after that. And so they send their soldiers to be spies. These same soldiers are the ones helping them to go away with these things, because the evidence is there. It's not that it's a false allegation. When gold was found in those trucks, what did I say? Did I reply? Did I say it's a lie? When gold was found in the building of the United Nations in Congo, did I deny it? No. Now, this is Haiti. Haiti have been unsettled for a long time. Not knowing, the world did not know that the UN peacekeepers or the United Nations are all there for their iridium. Iridium, Your Majesties. And as it is one of the most expensive resources. Why? Because this is one of the minerals that are used to produce all their machine guns. All those their kiniko that they're using going to go and destroy other people. This is what they're using producing those things. So they pushed out a negative picture of Haiti to the world. And they are there doing what they do best. And what do they do best? Stealing what is not theirs. I want us to listen to this minister, and we'll take it up from there.
Haiti has an extraterrestrial material that is found nowhere else in the world except South Africa, and it's the purest in Haiti. 65 million years ago, an asteroid landed in this space. We have an asteroid mountain in different places. We have mountains, they're made of asteroid. They use this asteroid because it's the remain of this asteroid that is so heat resistant that they use for spacecrafts. They have been, Professor Henry Vixamar of Haiti says 1 ton of Haiti's iridium.
Iridium. I wanted to get to
iridium
that.
is worth $45 billion. We have mountains of it. So what the UN occupation is that they put soldiers and private military contractors in UN uniforms. They're everywhere in Haiti, digging out the mountains. You can.
Did you hear that? I was unable to get the full video, but this very one I got it from I'm gonna leave the name there on the screen. Maybe you check it out on TikTok if you were there. This is it. I just want to give you a picture. I want to give you a picture. Now, when nature gets angry with these people, they turn to us and say we should pray. Tsunami happened here. An earthquake happened there. Kiniko happened here. But this is nature fighting back. They put people in confusion. They don't just steal it. Before they steal this thing, they cause mass destruction. And they even come through deception. And then they take this thing and then they go build themselves. And you think they can live peacefully in that building. Those things they use in building those buildings, is it their own? Those resources they use in building those technologies, those beautiful houses, those beautiful roads, is it their own? It's stolen. So the owner will always go and carry it. The owner of all these mineral resources is Mother Nature. And she's always hunting them. Why? Because they came to steal from her children. And of course, they don't just steal from her children. They frustrate her children. They unalive her children. So she has to fight back. And that's why nature has been fighting all these continents from ages past. And they never learn. They'll never learn. So this is the cause of the wars, the unsettlement, the chaos in Haiti. And they want to paint you in the mainstream, paint them in a negative light in their mainstream medias. They tell you, oh, this happened in Haiti. The Haitians are like this. They are bad people. They are people that don't like peace. Who do not like peace in this world? We all like peace because we thrive in peace. If you're a human being, except if you are something else, that is when you thrive in chaos. And we all know those who thrive in chaos. We know them. And they keep using spies till today in form of tourists. Now, when you want to go to their place for tourism, they will not give you visa. But when they are coming here in the name of tourism, our people, our countries will give them visa. And they come. Some of them even come with bikes these days now. There is one on YouTube that is over 2 million subscribers. What's the name of the channel? Some of you go watch her. And there's another man, maybe from Asia, something like that. They are not one or two anymore. There are many now. They roam about on motorbikes from one country to the other in this continent of Africa. They go from one country to the other. And sometimes these are Coast Guard. Doesn't even, I say Coast Guard, what do you call them? Immigration and others on the borders. They don't even check their passports. There's one I saw. He was giving them passport. They were carried away with what he was saying and how he looked. He handed the passport to them and they collected the passport. The officer who collected the passport did not open the passport. He hold the passport, gist and laugh and smile, and then return the passport to the guy. I don't know. I was so angry that day. He returned the passport to the guy. And the guy went. Now, they are motorbikes that they carry. There are a lot of technologies surrounding these motorbikes. There are a lot of gadgets that they've attached to these motorbikes. As they are moving, those gadgets, those things, you don't know what those things are reading. But no, there's nothing wrong. They do it perfectly because they tell you we also travel to other continents. And then you think that it is the right thing. You think it's the truth. Can an African travel that way, the way they are traveling the continent of Africa? We close our borders to ourselves. But to outsiders, we leave it open. We are stupid with other people and we are wise with ourselves. That's the problem of Africa. To other people, we are stupid though. We laugh. But to ourselves, we are intelligent. We are wise. We will not give chance to our brothers or sisters. We will not even slack at all. But to other people, we are stupid. When are we learning? When will these things change? Now we know why the unsettlement in Haiti keeps going on. We know why they will never have peace. Because some people are there who are causing the wars, the chaos and everything. And why? For iridium. This is what they use for their aircrafts. For their spaceships. For their fighter jets. This is what they use. And they are not ready to stop fighting. They want to keep fighting. So they will keep going for that. They will keep displacing people for that. They don't care. The life, the well-being of people is not important. Not of people, of Africans is not important. Because of course, they don't see you as a human being. But it's unfortunate that we all hold these people in high esteem and devalue ourselves at the process. What do you think? Leave your comments and thought there at the section, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, love yourself, love others, stay safe, stay positive, always, Your Majesties. Bye.